absolutely. In fact, what power to gas or gas to power is a very important domain which is emerging. I think the number one point which hydrogen right now encounters, the biggest obstacle is the cost piece,
Yeah.
and which, as you have alluded to, uh, and the other speakers have also spoken about this or alluded to it, that what seems insurmountable as a cost barrier today, within a few years, it just falls on the wayside. 15 years ago, we never thought that solar and wind per unit cost would come down to so low. And it
Yeah.
is there. And the same is for lithium ion batteries.